Science depends on evidence, and evidence depends on time. Every discovery, every experiment, every breakthrough, they all start with data. But what happens when that data can be questioned, altered, or erased? In the digital age, even scientific truth can be forged. AI can now generate research results, alter data tables, and fabricate entire studies in seconds. From academic papers to lab reports, every file is vulnerable to manipulation that can't be detected by the human eye. For scientists, researchers, and institutions, that's not just a technical problem. It's an existential one, the crisis of trust in research. Across the world, scientific retractions are rising. Studies are being withdrawn after falsified results, altered data, or missing provenance come to light. And in an era of AI-generated research, proving what's real and when it was created has become harder than ever. Imagine publishing groundbreaking results, then facing an inquiry claiming your data was fabricated? You know it's real, but without immutable timestamps, you can't prove it. Your credibility, your funding, your entire career at risk. Even honest researchers are being caught in a credibility crisis because digital proof alone is no longer enough. Case study, the lab notebook that wasn't. A biomedical researcher stores experimental data digitally. Months later, another team publishes near-identical findings, claiming they discovered it first. When the researcher challenges the claim, both sides produce files with identical timestamps. Without cryptographic verification, there's no way to prove whose data came first. The discovery becomes a dispute, the truth becomes a debate, and science loses. Case study, the vanished experiment file. An environmental lab prepares an audit submission with months of field data. A system error wipes a key dataset. A backup is restored, but questions arise, was this the original version? When regulators and grant reviewers demand proof of integrity, the lab can't provide verifiable timestamps. Years of work are placed under review. Funding is frozen. Without immutable records, even genuine results can't survive scrutiny. The new threat, AI-generated fabrication. AI models can now write academic papers, generate data tables, and simulate experimental outcomes that appear authentic. Fake research is already flooding journals, posing as peer-reviewed truth. Without independent, cryptographic proof of when data was created, even legitimate research risks being dismissed as synthetic. The integrity of science itself is at stake. The solution, TimeBinder. TimeBinder gives scientists, laboratories, and research institutions cryptographic proof that their data, reports, and results existed at a specific moment and have never been altered since. Every file, from raw data to final publication, is fingerprinted with a unique SHA-256 hash generated locally on your system. That fingerprint is permanently anchored to the world's strongest blockchain, creating an immutable record of creation time and integrity. Your data stays private. Your evidence becomes indestructible. How it works. Step 1. Drop your data files, experiment results, or manuscripts into TimeBinder's browser-based interface. Step 2. The system instantly generates a cryptographic fingerprint of each file without uploading or sharing it. Step 3. The fingerprint is permanently recorded on the blockchain, creating an unforgeable timestamp. You receive a proof of time certificate containing file hash and blockchain transaction ID, verified timestamp, QR code for instant third-party validation. This certificate can be attached to datasets, submissions, or papers, ensuring that your work can always be independently verified. Case study, the protected researcher. A university physics department timestamps every experiment log before publication. Months later, a patent dispute arises over a competing claim. The TimeBinder certificates show that the original data was recorded weeks earlier. The dispute ends instantly. The truth wins, not because of opinion, but because of proof. Why it matters. AI can fabricate data. It can fake images. It can even rewrite history. But it can't fake time. TimeBinder gives researchers immutable cryptographic assurance that protects intellectual property, scientific integrity, and academic reputation. It's not just about protecting data, it's about protecting truth. Preserve the integrity of science. Every experiment, every data set, every discovery deserves proof that outlasts manipulation. Secure your research against fraud, error, and AI interference permanently. Visit TimeBinder.io, proof that protects discovery forever.